Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got a brand new, just hit the market radio from iRonsnow. I did a little contribution to the development of this, not much. He just would send me some questions about it and things like that, which I'll mention as I show you to you. So let's go. Here it is. It's an emergency crank radio, and one thing I mentioned to him, I says, since it's an emergency radio, you need to make it a color that people can find right away. Well, boy, they did that. Let me show you. You won't have any trouble finding this. Check this out. This is bright orange. Yep, you'll be able to find that. Okay, let's get that over there. Here's the manual. And like I say, I just got this a week ago. They just put it on the market. You can get it off of Amazon. Here's a little two-way USB cable. In that, you use it plugged in this way to the radio to charge the built-in battery, and you reverse it to have this be a charger for like your cell phone or something else. There's the connections right there. This is out, this is in, and that's the earbud. Little carrying handle, telescopic antenna. Multiple ways to charge this. You can charge it with USB. Now, the battery is built in. There's no batteries to add to it. It's built in. Charge it with the cable, charge it with a solar cell here, or you can crank charge it. So it's definitely an emergency radio. Okay. Put that back down in there. Has a light right here. Nice bright light. This is the switch for AM, FM, and weather band. Down here is the volume and on off. And then it's the other thing I told him. I says, you want the tuning knob as big as possible so that it tunes more precisely. And then here is an SOS button. Let's see if I turn the light on. Okay, I'm going to have to read the manual on that. I thought it was a simple press. Okay, matter of fact, first we'll look at the box. The box tells you about what's included. And it's all written upside down. Oh no, that's me. Okay, here we go. It's AM, FM, NOAA weather. It's a new design. Like I say, this is a brand new design. Has a brighter flashlight. Yeah, that flashlight's bright. Because iRonsnow, I've done several reviews on their radios, and so this is their latest and greatest. Has a 2000 milliamp hour battery, solar powered, crank powered, or USB powered. Can be used as a charger, like I said, for your cell phone or whatever. Again, in case of emergency. So you want to keep this thing charged up so that if your power's off, you can listen to the radio, plus you can charge your cell phone when it goes dead. And I want to see that SOS function. That's a new one to me. Is it going to tell me? Well, I should have looked at that before. I didn't realize it had that function. Oh, double click the SOS button to turn it on. Single click to turn it off. Okay, I got to double click it. Okay, double click it. Whoa, 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 jeez. I didn't realize it was a SOS siren. I thought it was going to flash SOS with a light. Sorry about that. Holy cow, was that loud? Whew. All right, let's move on. So let's turn it on. And we are on AM. So we'll tune it. And we're way at the end of the band. There's his logo right there. Or their logo. I keep saying his, it's their company logo. Getting a lot of interference from all the electronics in my workshop. There we go. Whoa. Oh no. Oh no, it's all in Chinese. No, that's probably Spanish. Whoop, music. It's amazing. It's amazing how where I live in Florida, how many AM stations are now Spanish. It's amazing. It's got a little, wow, it's got a lot of volume. It's got a little green LED that tells you that it's on a station. Let me see if I can show it to you again.
Really irritates me. Ordinary pads and tampons
There it is, right there.
plastic and chemicals. You know,
This is the charge level. There are, God, it's loud. There are 4 LEDs to show you the charge level.
Organic cotton, and they give me unsurpassed absorbency
This
too.
is,
Organic.
oh my gosh. This is the tuning dial. I have to manually zoom my camera. Otherwise it's like zooming in and out and in and out. So I set it to manual. Let me zoom in for a few minutes so you can see a close-up of it. Camera control, zoom. Okay, I'm gonna hold this up. There you go. Now I need to focus. Oop, I went past it. There we go. So there's the tuning dial. This selects AM, FM weather band. Weather band's on the top, FM and an AM. Okay. Let me get this control out of my way, and I'll put this focus back there. There we go. Okay, so that was AM. We can go to FM. There, turn it back up. There's FM. Now I don't even have the antenna extended. Let's see how long the antenna is. It does swivel, so that's good. And it is, let me check here real quick. It's exactly a foot. I mean, yes, 12 inches. That's a foot, right? Yeah, exactly a foot. Okay, let's get this down so we don't break it off. Again, this is the solar charging cell and the cranks on the back. There is, I was looking at this almost, ooh, let me look at here and maybe there we go. There's the battery. They are using one of these monster 18650 batteries, and they have a lot of capacity. That's where he gets that big number. What was that number? 2,000 milliamp hours, right there. And it's removable and replaceable. Okay, way to go, guys. That's cool. Speakers right here. Now, he asked me a question one time. He says, can we put the speaker on the side? And I said, no, not a good idea, because most people are going to have it, you know, sitting someplace, and it might be like on a bookshelf with stuff on the side. So you need the speaker in the front. So they did that. Now, whether they did it because I said it or not, who knows? Really nice feel. Nice feel. That SOS thing, I don't want to push that button again. Again, the light, whoa, just shined it in my eye. It's very, very bright. Let's go to weather band. That's the one that's going to see if it's got good reception. I usually get 2 or 3 weather stations in my area. No, there's one right there. I don't even have the antenna extended. Let me tune it in a little better. Okay, that's about in the middle of the band. Let me go ahead and extend this. Okay, that's good. Let me turn it up for you. Now, since this is analog tuning, I'm sure it's a digital receiver, analog tuning. I told him another thing to watch out for is don't let these tuning and volume knobs turn too easily, where that, if you don't have a lockout, it doesn't lose your station, because you might be carrying this around during after a storm or something. Okay, let's see if we can get 3. Okay, oh, there we go. No, that's something off of the lower band, not the weather band. Oh, the weather band's up this way. Now it's going down here. Okay. There we go. That's 1.
A small area of low pressure has formed.
Okay, we got 1. And then we try it on this with the antenna pointing up. Gets that one really strong. Locks onto it. Okay, that's the only one it's getting. Now, today and for the past week, it's been major overcast. So that could be attributing to only getting 1 out of the 3 that I normally get. Other than that, I think this is pretty cool. Now, I will do a separate test, and what I'll do is I'll put the results of the test down as a comment to this video. The test I'm planning on doing is battery capacity and charge capability or whatever. So what I normally do is with these crank radios is I discharge the battery, then I crank for a minute, and then I rest for a minute. And I crank for a minute and I rest for a minute till I get 5 minutes of cranking. Then I play either the light and or the radio to see how long it lasts with just 5 minutes of cranking. Then I'll do another test where I'll discharge the battery. I'll put this not outside in the sun, but I'll put it in the window where the sun is coming in the window, and leave it there for, say 6 hours. Now, I can't do that test right now because there's no sun, so I'll have to put that one off. So that's it. Again, iRonsnow sells these on Amazon along with other things. He also sent me, which I reviewed already, was this light. This is a fantastic light. This, you gotta get you one. It's kind of it's either an emergency or a camping light or just a utility light. It puts out, let me hit the button here. It puts out a lot, burn out my camera here. It puts out, let me hold this down, a lot of light. You can see that in a couple of shows I did that. So that's it. Appreciate iRonsnow sending me these radios for review. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.